Hi, I'm Max from Eurolux. Today we're looking at the new solar floodlight range from Radiant Lighting, where we have 5 different products. The first one is a 900 lumen, the next one is a 1480 lumen, then a 2000, a 3000 and a 4000 lumen. All of these products come with monosilicon solar panels, obviously in different wattages, and they all come with 3.2 volt lithium-ion LiPF04 batteries. Let's unbox one. As you can see, they're all packaged very sturdily in a cardboard box. All of the units come with a remote control that can do various functions for your floodlight. The floodlight, as well as the solar panel, are kept in their separate cardboard box. The solar panel itself comes with a 1 meter long rubberized cable, which will then attach to the back of your floodlight itself. On the back of your floodlight there is also a short cable. There is a so-called cook-proof, waterproof connection, which makes your whole unit IP65. Once connected and charged for about 8 hours, the unit will be fully functional for you to use in any setting where you do not have power. In other words, no power, no problem. You can set up these floodlights anywhere in direct sunlight. They will charge and then you will have usable light for up to 12 hours. Once attached, the units will take 5 to 8 hours to get fully charged, obviously in direct sunlight. And they will last up to 2 nights without having to be recharged. The color temperature on these units is 6500 K. They are IP65, in other words, they are water resistant against splash or rain. They have, as mentioned before, a 1 meter rubberized cable, and they will obviously turn on and off on a day-night switch, meaning as soon as it goes dark in the evening, the unit will turn itself on to your predetermined setting, which you can set on your remote control. In the morning, when the sun comes up, the unit will switch itself off again. Remember, buy lumens, not watts. You're buying light output. If you need any more information, please be sure to contact your nearest Eurolux or Radiant representative.